G'day folks, it's Wall from thewritersite.world. Today I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the library on the writer site. The library is just like any other library, it's where you go to read. However, on ours, it's where you also review other people's work and get your own reviewed. Now, once you've created an account and logged into your account, you click on the library and it will look like such. So excuse my voice, I've got a bit of a bug. So we've got two options in the library. We've got categories up here where you can scroll down and look through. Many of them have got pictures, some of them don't have. And you can choose. So let's do it the easy way and select from the categories. You can see that all is highlighted on this page by default. So let's go to the first one, Book Chapters Children. And there we are. Excuse me. So let's choose this one by Sandra Stoner Mitchell. You can see it's got a nice cover picture there. And there we are. The Hedgerow Gang Save Christmas. Now when you review on the writer site, you get 1 point for every review that you write. It's called reviewing points. They'll show up in your profile, which I'll show you in another tutorial. And when you've got 150 points, we give you a 1 month free upgraded membership to write as much as you like, whenever you like, for that entire month. So, let's proceed. We scroll down, and obviously we read it, and down we go. And then once we've read it, you'll see a copyright notice. Copyright 2019 Sandra Stoner Mitchell, all rights reserved. That's automatically done when you post, so you don't need to worry too much about that. Then you'll see the author profile, a lovely picture there, and the name and a bit of a write-up, some sharing buttons. On the left we've got her most recent posts, and on the right we've got her author profile, which if you click that, it will take you to everything she's written. Now, underneath that, you'll see comments. So there's 11 comments in total. So Armwood Langdong has reviewed here for Sandra, and to reply to his review you would click the reply button, which will bring up a comments box. You type it in there and click submit, and then it will come out indented like this one of Sandra's here when she's replied. So, and always reply to a reviewer. If they're kind enough to review your work, then you should be kind enough to reply. Now, underneath the replies, you'll see the star rating system. So there's 5 stars. You can click on any one of them that you choose, depending on what you think of the piece you just read. 1 star is rotten, very bad, etc., etc. 5 stars is excellent. So you can see they're logged in as Wallu Ferrell, and it gives you the option to log out. And you would type in your comment in this box. So type comment. So yes, now it's come up, which is good. And then you would hit the submit comment button, and it will show up at the top. And there we have it. And that's basically our tutorial on the library. So you can see on the right hand side here we've got a search box, we've got recent comments, we've got archives, so you can see who's commented on what. We've got archives, so you can choose any month that you like, and there's also the categories as well. So we've tried to make it as simple as possible, and hopefully we've succeeded. We look forward to seeing you on the writer site. The next tutorial will be on the writer's office. Okay, thank you very much. Just before I sign out, I need to apologise for both my voice, because I've got a bit of a bug, and for the background noise. There's a lot of stray dogs in the Philippines, and which is where I live, and you can't shut them up. But yeah, hopefully you learned something from the tutorial. Thank you.